let's give you a little update here today, what's going on. So as you can see, this is one of the inner fenders off of the little 67 Ford pickup, the short box. We had to cut this out here to clear, because remember now, he had this truck at another shop, and they hadn't finished it off. He brought it over to us. So they had just jammed the front end on it, but it all needs to be cut and fitted. You can see around here. Chris has already done this one, because you can see he's put all the tubular control arms, adjustable coilover shocks in the front, the rack and pinion, he's done all that. So you have to cut all that out where the last shop didn't do it. Right, he's got his aftermarket brake booster there, master cylinder and all that stuff. So we're working on that stuff right now. Chris is getting all the wiring tidied up because there's no wiring in it, getting all that done. He's got the steering column has to be painted, but we put everything in. Like I said, everything goes in, you got to mock everything up. You got to mock everything up and go through it all and make sure everything fits right. Wire everything in, then you take it back apart. Same with anything, right? When you're doing body work, welding, anything. Prime example is right over here on the Camaro. I'm on the Camaro. So, back on the Camaro, so what I've done here, as you can see on this side of the Camaro, we had already done the driver's side. On the passenger side, first thing you got to do is put the door on. And then before, if you remember, there's that inner brace for the quarter panel. That has to go on, so I've got it, if you can see, I've got it just all, everything clamps everywhere. Same as the outer wheel tub. All clamped on. Then I set the quarter panel on to make sure that it lines up with everything, and that's why you got to put your door on, because you got to get all your door gaps right and your body lines right. So that's what's going on here. And then you take it all back apart. I'll take all this back off. The door can stay on, it's not in my way, but I'll take the quarter off and all that. Then I'll start welding all that inner stuff up, and then before you know it, it'll be like this side. It'll be all welded up and on, and then we will attack the back pan. So the Mustang, we're still waiting on this piece. We're still waiting. Where is it, buddy? We're so close. Once we get that piece, we're done. We're on to, wow, there's still a little bit of welding here and there, you know, like it's got a little hole right here going on. You know, every time usually after you're done welding, you go around, walk through the whole car and take a look, because there's always something you end up missing, right? Sean's on the Carmagia. He's getting it all ready. This is his final block, and then it goes for paint. So it's coming out really nice. Looking excellent. What's happening there? The owner came and got his engine, took it into the machine shop, so he's getting his engine hopefully repaired and taken care of. Then we can get that back together. I got a few of my own cars sitting out back here. I got Bittersweet, my old 52 Chev. I got my 55 Chevy right there. Got them sitting back here today because I'm doing some work in the front. So they had to get out of the way. So there's my 55 and my 52. Then there's my 58. Boy, look how dirty she is. Holy man, look at it. It's like getting a barn find. Look at that sucker. She's just filthy. My 58. And I got my Model A over there. Then I got my chopped 50 Meteor right there. I got the newest and latest and greatest addition to the family. Welcome to the herd, Mr. John Deere. 22 horsepower, cruise control, 42-inch cut, and a custom-made heavy-duty bumper, so I can push all the shit out of the way I need to. We got Black Betty sitting here, filthy as hell. So yeah, and then we got all these projects sitting here. Oh, then we got Brad's truck. I got to get that back in the shop now. Put it back away. Got to push it out during the day. The bloody thing is so damn big. These crew cabs, all we're getting is trucks. But anyway, so I got all my stuff around back because if you look very carefully up front here, this is my front carport. And my front carport was 26 feet wide by, I think it's 22 or 24 feet deep. Well, anyway, I'm extending it. I'm extending it so I can get 4 cars in there. Because we all know what I'm like. I love to buy cars. It's what I do. So that's just it. But anyway, again, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's always good time at old time. Hopefully you're out there building something. Hopefully you're doing something. Spring is in the air. Thank God. Anyway, I can't wait. I can't wait for the summer. I'm going to have lots of fun cruising. Just going to get out and drive the shit out of my cars. Okay guys, see you next time.